unveiling the secrets of wealth and happiness. Lessons from Morgan Housel's The Psychology of Money. The intriguing world of money, wealth, and happiness as we unravel the profound insights from Morgan Housel's The Psychology of Money. Stick around for eye-opening revelations that may just change the way you perceive success and financial well-being. But first, this is Ash Cash Tash. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's dive in. Section number 1. The Pursuit of Happiness and Wealth. Morgan Housel challenges the conventional idea that wealth is the key to happiness and instead posits that true happiness is derived from having the freedom to control one's time. This autonomy allows for a life that is more purpose-driven and personally fulfilling. When individuals have the flexibility to engage in activities that resonate with their values and aspirations, they are more likely to experience a profound sense of satisfaction. Furthermore, having control over one's time provides the freedom to invest in relationships and experiences that matter most. Whether spending time with loved ones, pursuing personal interests, or contributing to meaningful causes, the ability to allocate time according to personal values fosters a deeper connection to one's life and surroundings. The concept of time as the ultimate happiness factor aligns with the idea of a balanced and well-lived life. It implies that true contentment is not solely tied to the accumulation of wealth or material possessions, but is deeply intertwined with the quality of experiences and relationships that time affords. Section number 2. The Illusion of Pursuing Material Wealth. We often find ourselves working tirelessly, sacrificing time in pursuit of material wealth. Housel presents a mind-bending scenario, illustrating that accumulating wealth is not just about spending, but, more importantly, about saving and investing wisely. Let's debunk the myth and unveil the true path to financial prosperity. Section number 3. Financial DNA and Generational Differences. Morgan Housel delves into the intricate relationship individuals have with money, emphasizing its deep-seated connection to personal experiences and generational influences. He sheds light on how historical events, such as economic downturns or periods of prosperity, contribute to the shaping of our financial DNA. These historical contexts become integral components that mold our attitudes and behaviors toward money, influencing our financial decisions in ways we may not fully comprehend. Furthermore, Housel underscores the role of inflation as a significant factor in shaping financial perspectives. The impact of inflation extends beyond mere numerical values. It influences how individuals perceive and manage their finances. Understanding the historical context of inflation becomes crucial in deciphering our financial DNA, as it contributes to the lens through which we view economic stability, investment strategies, and long-term financial planning. In addition to external factors, Housel highlights the enduring influence of parental guidance on our financial mindset. The lessons and values imparted by parents play a pivotal role in shaping our approach to money management. Whether through direct teachings or observed behaviors, these influences become embedded in our financial DNA, influencing our attitudes towards saving, spending, and investing. Recognizing the profound impact of these factors allows individuals to gain insight into their financial behaviors and make informed decisions that align with their financial goals and values. Before we move on to the next segment, it's time to join the subscribe squad. Hit that like button and stay tuned for awesome content. Section number 4. Optimism versus Pessimism in Financial Decisions. Morgan Housel prompts reflection on our approach to money decisions, urging an exploration of the biases we carry, particularly within the realm of investing. He delves into the impact of historical events, such as diverse stock market experiences across decades, in shaping our financial perspectives. This exploration unveils how our biases, whether rooted in optimism or pessimism, significantly influence our financial behaviors. The lens through which we view money decisions is often tinted by our inherent biases. Housel draws attention to the intricate relationship between historical events and our financial outlook, emphasizing the role of experiences in different decades, especially within the stock market. These experiences, whether shaped by economic booms or recessions, contribute to the formation of biases that influence our investment strategies, risk tolerance, and overall financial decision-making. By acknowledging the powerful connection between historical events and financial perspectives, Housel encourages a nuanced understanding of how biases impact our approach to investing. Whether guided by an optimistic belief in the market's potential for growth or a more cautious, pessimistic outlook shaped by past downturns, recognizing and navigating these biases becomes crucial for making informed and resilient financial decisions. This awareness allows individuals to cultivate a more balanced and rational approach to money matters, appreciating the diverse factors that shape their financial perspectives. Section number 5. The power of compounding and time. Warren Buffett's success isn't just about being a good investor. It's about the magic of compounding and time. Learn how starting early and embracing long-term investing can lead to financial prosperity. Discover the wonders of compounding and its profound impact on wealth accumulation. Section number 6. Tails drive everything in business and investing. Tails, those unexpected outcomes, drive success in business and investing. Housel discusses the concept of tails and how embracing uncertainty and risk is crucial for financial growth. Learn why success often hinges on a combination of talent and luck. Section number 7. The dance between money and human nature. Money is more than just numbers on a spreadsheet. It's a dance with human nature. Housel explores the intricate relationship between money and self-control, emphasizing the importance of restraint and investing in the future. Uncover the complexities of our financial decisions. As we conclude this enlightening journey into the psychology of money, remember that financial success is not just about being right. It's about understanding the dance between numbers and human behavior. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more financial wisdom, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy investing. Once again, this is Ash Cash Tash. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and share this video. And for more engaging content on economics, business, and personal finance.